we're on the 50th floor of the Planet Hollywood, and check out the room, guys. So we'll start off with the bathroom here. So we got a nice water closet. We actually have a freestanding tub here, which is pretty cool. Everything you need. Here we got a makeup mirror, a nice full-size mirror here, a TV, hair dryer, shower area, which is pretty spacious. This is the entrance. Good sized closet. We got our stuff in here right now. Dorothy over here. Here we got a nice king size bed, guys. Office area where you can work. Some huge bedside tables. If you want to store your clothes, there's a chest of drawers here. And we got a nice mini fridge. Nice. A 38 or 40-inch TV. Interesting artifact here, guys. I'm not even sure what it is. Okay guys, so this is our strip view. Alright guys, so that's it for the room tour at the Planet Hollywood. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.